Welcome to the mesmerizing landmass surrounded by the sea, the enchanting island of Italy. Engulf yourself in the allure of Italian charm, where every corner narrates a story of love, art, and history. Visualize this, meandering through the stone-paved streets of Rome, the ageless city, where remnants of a bygone era blend seamlessly with the rhythm of contemporary life. Or picture yourself relishing authentic slice of margherita in Naples' heart, the birthplace of the beloved pizza. Transport yourself next to the romantic city of Venice, steering through its captivating canals on a traditional gondola. And undoubtedly, there's Milan, the global fashion hub, a sanctuary for all style admirers. Conclude your journey by unwinding amidst the tranquil vineyards of Tuscany, basking in the warm Italian sun. Italy, an expedition that invigorates the senses and soothes the soul, an everlasting beauty yearning to be discovered. So, are you prepared to set sail on this Italian adventure? Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting,